Welcome back. I'm here today with Carlo Olniszek, Regional Director for France, Spain and Portugal at Bookings.com, to explore how hotels can maximize the amounts of business they get from an online travel agency.
The website is today available in 42 languages, including Cantonese, Mandarin Chinese, Arabic, Russian, India. So basically, it will give you a true international exposure. We have offices in 135 countries to help our partners, the hotels, to make the most of our tool. And today we display on our website more than properties that are in more than 200 countries. Yeah, we feel it's fairly reasonable, and we do think that we provide good value for money to our partners for a number of reasons. First of all, we are less expensive than other distribution channels, like the traditional FIT distribution channels, like tour operators or wholesalers, which are higher. Also, the fact is that it's up to you to decide whether you want to be distributed or not. The other reason is that basically we do not require any investment upfront. There is no cost. So, which means that there is no risk, and you only pay commission if you get the booking. And also, you will get through us, clients, international clients that will be very expensive for you to develop directly, and that are also very incremental towards your basic client base. Basically, we need to know what type of property is this hotel about. How many rooms do you have? How many room types do we have? We need to have the description of each room type. And also we need to have a clear explanation on the difference between the room type and the reason for upsell. We need to have the description of your services, of the facilities that you propose. It's also very important that you insist on what are your key unique selling points, what is making you different from your competitors. That's very important. We need to have good pictures, high resolution pictures showing all your facilities. We need to have your rates, your availability on a daily basis. But we provide to our partners an extranet, a self-built extranet, which is very user-friendly, so we can gather all this information very quickly and very easily. I would say pictures, pictures, pictures. So, high, good quality pictures is very important, is key to help you, improve your distribution. So I would say, show off as many pictures as possible, showing your properties, the different room type. So you need to provide a large quantity of pictures showing all aspects of your property in high resolution, so that you make sure that this will be supported across all devices. So that's very important. Fresh text content is also key. Make sure you do not copy-paste the same text on all different web pages. It's very important that your content is unique. This will help improve your visibility and also the search engine optimization of your pages. That's very important. The third element is make sure that you have guest reviews, as many guest reviews as possible and as positive as possible. The first thing is what can be the most counterproductive is availability. Very often properties are not open for sale. So they are open until the end of the year, or they are open until the end of the season. The fact is bookers, consumers now look a lot in advance, like sometimes 12 months in advance. So a good practice will be to open up or to update your availability on a 12 months rolling pattern. The second element is pricing. You need to make sure that your pricing is competitive. If you are overpriced versus your comp set, you will never get any piece of business. Third element is content. If you have poor content, poor text, don't go for flowery text. You need to be very objective, very factual. Put high resolution pictures. This will help also improve your online visibility. And the fourth element is the guest reviews. If you have negative guest reviews, first you need to respond to them, but this also will impact your visibility, your demand, and your conversion. So first of all, we have today about 50 million guest reviews on the website. Normally, we keep them for a period of 14 months. Hoteliers cannot change these guest reviews, which sometimes can be frustrating for them, but they can answer the negative guest reviews, even the positive one, but the negative, it's very important that they do so. What they can do, how they can use this feedback is analyze the feedback they're getting, identify the major pain points, that they are seeing, that their consumers are experiencing and keep complaining about. And then when you have done this work, it's very important to implement the right action plan to basically change, what is hurting the customer. This will help you improve the quality levels and the customer satisfaction level. What is also very important is make sure that you make a first good impression with your customers. Check-in, the welcome of the guest at the hotel is very important, as well as the checkout. If you manage to make these two elements very successful, this will help you improve your satisfaction level and then basically your repeaters and your visibility online. But first of all, we see that today demands does materialize at two different periods. First, very early for the early bookers, and then at the last minute, I would even say at the very last minute. So what is important is that you have the right pricing level at each of these periods. And basically, so you can, first of all, you can use Booking.com to test your pricing levels and make sure that you are hitting the market price. That's the first thing that you can do. Based on this, then you can decide to do some special offers, either on your public rates, or you can also do private offers because you don't want to disclose your special deals to all the market. You can do private offers to basically our members that are registered on our website. That's the first thing that you can do. On top of that, what we can do, basically we have account managers that are all over the place in all key destinations. They're here to help you. And based on your product, based on the specificities of your destination, on what customers expect from the type of property that you're having, then we will help you identify what is the best offer. It's not the same offer in every property. We need to adjust it to what you as a hotelier you want to achieve and what the demand is looking for. So it can be free breakfast, for instance, in Paris. It can be a BB offer, for instance, in Paris during the summer. It's very important to have BB offers because you have many families coming, and this is the type of product they will be looking for. You can do, if you want to push your length of stay, you can do special offers with a discount for the second or the third night. You can do upgrade offers. So basically, it's all types of offers, of options that we can do depending really on the needs of the hotel. Another opportunity is also you can become a member of Genius, which is our loyalty program. This will give you extra marketing exposure because we do a lot of marketing push to our Genius members. All the business bookers are also part of this program, so it will also give you exposure to the business travel segment. And basically, Genius will give you a stronger exposure all over the year, and this will also help you better and in a more efficient way during your need periods. Basically, you need to have a review score that is above 7.5%, and you need to show performance that is above your competitors in your destination. And then you need to give a 10% discount on your most sold room or the cheapest room if the cheapest room is not the most sold room.
Okay. So and that 10% basically is paying for the additional exposure which you will get throughout the Booking.com Genius network.
Definitely, and this is the value that you give to our most loyal customers. Basically, on the extranet that we provide them, they also access to a full lot of information about their performance with historical data. Basically, they can get a monthly overview of their performance, a yearly overview of the performance, enabling them to make month-over-month or year-over-year comparisons. So basically, they will see there the volume of demand their property is generating on Booking, the number of bookings they are making, the cancellation rate that they are also generating. They will see their conversion, the average room rate they are setting on Booking, the length of stay, the lead time, the revenue. They will see all about their performance. They will also be able to track in the tool to their competitive set, so they can define what is their competitive set, at least 10 competitors, and follow how basically they are performing versus their competitors. But what also they can look into this is their competitive set on Booking.com, which is different from your natural competitive set. So you will see which are the hotels that basically you lose booking to when the customer is looking for your property on Booking. So first of all, it's very simple. So for any hotels, when we provide them the extranet, they can load on the extranet all the information that we need to be able to sell them online, to distribute them, including they can upload their rates and their availability. That's very simple. For larger hotels, or sometimes for most hotel groups, if they use a channel manager, they can also push their rates and availability on their channel manager, which will then be pushed on our platform. And the big advantage of this one, it's less workload at the hotel level. It's less manual work, and you have you can make less mistakes. So it's much more easy and user-friendly for the hotels. And the third possibility for, let's say, major global hotel chains is to work on a direct connect between their reservation system and our platform. And then again, it's even a better connectivity with a faster response and faster upload of their availability.